Here is a wonderful 2023 Nissan Rogue. Here's a stylish, efficient Rogue that has the features you need to stay on top of today's demanding lifestyle. This can-do crossover anticipates your wants and needs with a quiet, comfortable ride in a spacious, well-equipped cabin. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, pre-collision system, panoramic roof, proximity key entry, heated driver's seat, keyless entry, turbocharged engine, heated mirrors, lane keeping assist, backup camera. Enjoy the convenience and comfort this Rogue has to offer. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.